Very good morning. Today I have selected only one stock and that is Tata Motors. And also I have made my position in this stock. So currently I am in profit. So let us discuss the reason behind selecting this stock, analysis and the kind of trade I have taken already in this stock. So let's start the video. So as usual in current market scenario, each and every trader have a very clear idea about Tata Motors. What is happening with Tata Motors? This stock is in purely bull. So there is no need to tell why this stock is in uptrend from last 1 year. Each and every trader has information about this. So the current dominating pressure in Tata Motors is buying itself. So the very first strong reason is the dominant pressure. As usual, everyone know that Tata Motors is in uptrend. So looking for a buy signal is a great way to trade in Tata Motors. So first reason for selecting this stock, as usual, it is the dominant pressure in this stock is buying. Second reason I'm showing you. Yes, clearly you can clearly see. First time, second time, third time, and this is my one of the favorite price action pattern where where uh, each time, or you can say more than three times a price or level is getting tested by the price. If that price or that level will be broken, then that will be a great opportunity to trade that instrument. So today this is happened with Tata Motors. I have already marked this level and created an alert. So as soon as the price crossed this level, I have make my position because volume is already very high in this stock. So waiting for pullback will make you uh, the price very costly, or your stop loss maybe will be not adjustable, because once the momentum will start, it will take very few time to move at least 520 or 525. So my first target in this stock is 520. So maybe in the next uh, 2 or 3 candles I will be achieving my target. So this is the analysis part. Let's go deep into the analysis part. What is actually happening? So whatever we see, my first approach are our approach of our base of approach is that we will take a buy trade. So we will think about how a buy trade will be confirmed by the price action. So so let's discuss that approach first. So for buying we need that price will try to move in upward directions by creating a higher swing low, and that is what it is happening. This this low this low and again this low is not still broken. So again it is a swing, high swing low. This one again a small kind of build up. This is the Diwali's trade. If we, here you can also see a higher swing low, and again if you come here, higher swing low. So there is a clear indication that price will moving, or buyers are buying at every swing low that is created by the price in Tata Motors. So these are the actually hint or indications that a price will move in upward directions, and these things will make a high probability that upper price level that is getting tested multiple times will be broken very smoothly. Let me zoom out the stock more. Yes. So if I will draw a channel or a range, you can clearly see how strong buyers are. These yeah, first time, second time, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 7 times sellers had tried to make its price movement in downward directions, but buyers are so eager or so powerful that they kept the prices of Toyota Motors up, and now they are trying to break this level again. First target would be this the previous high, and this is about 530. The first target is 520, and then till 530 it may go. If momentum come, it may actually break today the previous high, because as of now Tata Motors is in uh, purely bull run. So we can expect that it may break 530 level also. So let us see, because as of now it is only around 10 a.m. So entire day of trading is still in our hand. So we can wait and we can see how the price of Tata Motors is performing today. Okay, friend. This is the thing that I have only taken a trade in Tata Motors analysis, and result will be decided by the market. And if you have the time, then you can also have a watch, or you can clearly watch that price will how the price is behaving in the market. So this is all about today's trade, friend. I will be trading only one stock, that I have already told you why I have taken this decision, because focus is the key thing that I want to I wanted to be in control regarding the focus. So this is all about. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep trading. Bye.